In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. Navigating through the vast data in Jira to find exactly what you need can sometimes feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. Fortunately, Jira's filter function is a powerful tool that helps you sift through issues and tasks, allowing you to pinpoint exactly what you need to focus on. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or someone involved in the multifaceted world of project development, knowing how to effectively create and use filters in Jira can save time and enhance your productivity. So let's dive in and master the art of creating filters in Jira. Firstly, start by going to the Your Work section in Jira. This is where all your current engagements, tasks, and activities are displayed, providing a comprehensive overview. Upon arriving here, your next move will be to locate and click on Filters. This option is pivotal because it's the gateway to customizing your view, showing you only what you want and need to see within Jira. After clicking on Filters, proceed to select View All Filters. This action will take you to a broader section where you can access all existing filters, offering a macro perspective of the different categorizations and refinements available to streamline the issues displayed. Now it's time to create your very own filter by clicking on Create Filter. When you select this option, Jira prepares to bring your customized filter into existence, allowing you to tailor your search and views to your specific requirements. Once you've initiated the creation of a new filter, the next step involves defining the criteria for your filter. Click on Type to begin specifying the nature of the issues you wish to see. Here you have the flexibility to focus your filter based on the type of task or project phase, such as examining only epics, bugs, stories, or tasks. Each type serves a different purpose and represents different stages or aspects of your project development. If your intention is to monitor tasks that are close to completion or need immediate attention, you might want to filter issues by their status. You can specify whether you're interested in items that are done, in progress, or ones that are still marked as to do. This classification helps in prioritizing tasks and managing project workflows more efficiently. The assignee field is your next focal point. Here you decide whether you want to view tasks assigned to you specifically by selecting current user, or perhaps you're interested in tasks that are currently unassigned by choosing unassigned. This customization can aid in identifying workload distributions and areas that may require urgent staffing or task assignment revisions. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's proceed with selecting the current user to display tasks assigned to you. This choice narrows down the filter to show only the issues and tasks that directly involve you, making it easier to manage your personal workload and deadlines. Finally, we reach the culmination of our filter creation process by clicking on Save Filter. This step is critical as it preserves your custom filter settings, enabling you to access this particular view anytime you need it without having to redefine your criteria every single time. Congratulations! You've now created a custom filter in Jira. This personalized filter will allow you to streamline your focus, direct your attention where it's most needed, and enhance your efficiency in managing tasks and navigating through projects on the Jira platform. Remember, the beauty of Jira filters lies in their flexibility and the control they offer you over the information displayed. Feel free to experiment with different filter combinations, and don't hesitate to adjust your criteria as your project requirements evolve. Effective use of filters can significantly contribute to your project's successful management and execution by keeping essential tasks and deadlines in clear view. So go ahead, give it a try and start creating filters that cater exactly to your needs. Whether you're juggling multiple projects, overseeing a team, or focusing on specific developmental phases, mastering Jira filters will undoubtedly elevate your project management game. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to navigate your tools and workflows more efficiently.